Marvel joins Disney,
Spider-Man's epic stern character on Disney Destiny cruise ship.
unveiling the Marvel. Spider-Man takes center stage on Disney Destiny cruise ship. In an exciting development for fans of Marvel and Disney alike, the Disney Cruise Line has officially revealed that the iconic character Spider-Man has been installed as the stern figure on the Disney Destiny cruise ship. This larger-than-life representation of Spider-Man, accompanied by his trusty Spider-Bots, can be seen at the rear of the ship, where he is depicted in a dynamic pose, ready for action as he collaborates with 3 Spider-Bots to perfect the ship's intricate geometric filigree. Let's dive into the details. A historic installation. This week marked a significant milestone as the shipyard team successfully installed the very first Marvel character at the stern of a Disney Cruise Line ship. Using cranes, they carefully lifted the impressive sculpture and secured it to the back of the vessel, making history in the process. The installation of Spider-Man is not just a decorative choice. It symbolizes the merging of beloved superhero narratives with the enchanting world of Disney cruising. Artistry in motion. The sculpture captures Spider-Man in a moment of action, showcasing his agility and heroism. The design features sharp edges and interwoven patterns that cleverly reference Spider-Man's web-slinging abilities. Adding to the charm, the Spider-Bots are painted in vibrant colors and equipped with whimsical accessories such as yellow paintbrushes, sunglasses, and snorkel masks, embodying the fun and adventurous spirit of a cruise. A magical welcome. When guests arrive at the Disney Destiny's own port in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, later this year, they will be greeted by this striking stern character. It will serve as their initial introduction to the enchanting experiences that await them on board, setting the stage for a journey filled with adventures inspired by both legendary Disney heroes and notorious villains. Themed adventures await. The Disney Destiny cruise ship promises to immerse guests in a world of heroes and villains, with its Maiden voyage scheduled for November 20th, departing from Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This theme is sure to captivate both young and old, making it a must-visit for Disney enthusiasts. Stay updated. For those eager to keep up with the latest news, photos, and updates from the Disney parks, be sure to check back regularly with us at blogmickey.com. We are committed to bringing you all the exciting developments from the magical world of Disney. Have a story tip? If you have any tips or stories to share, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Spider-Man takes over Disney Destiny. Marvel's heroic makeover at sea. Get ready for a superhero adventure. Disney Destiny has a new look. In an exciting announcement today, Disney Cruise Line shared a thrilling update from the shipyard located in Papenburg, Germany. Spider-Man, along with his Spider-Bots, has officially been installed on the stern of the Disney Destiny, the latest ship set to join the expanding Disney Cruise Line fleet. This larger-than-life sculpture was carefully hoisted into position using cranes and secured to the ship-style structure, marking a significant new chapter in Disney's storytelling at sea, one that highlights its Marvel universe in a way we've never seen before. This is a groundbreaking moment, as it is the first time a Marvel character has been featured as a figurehead on the stern of any Disney Cruise Line ship. This visual tradition has long represented the unique story, theme, and personality of each vessel. For the Destiny, which explores the thrilling dynamics between heroes and villains, Spider-Man was the perfect choice. What to expect from the Disney Destiny? Scheduled to embark on its inaugural voyage in November 2025, the Disney Destiny will set sail from Port Canaveral on cruises lasting between 3 to 5 nights, heading to the beautiful Bahamas and the Western Caribbean. These journeys will include stops at Disney's private islands, Castaway Cay, and Lighthouse Point. The ship is a sibling to the Disney Wish and Disney Treasure, continuing the family legacy of immersive storytelling through elaborate spaces, cutting-edge experiences, and striking visual identities. Walt Disney Imagineering has designed the Disney Destiny to delve into the epic adventures of heroic characters from Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, and now Marvel. With Marvel being one of the most iconic acquisitions of the Walt Disney Company, its presence on board is not merely thematic. It serves as a powerful reminder of the brand's global storytelling prowess. Marvel's expanding influence on the high seas. The Spider-Man figure is just one of the many Marvel-themed design elements aboard the ship. Inside the Grand Hall, inspired by Wakanda, guests will be greeted by a magnificent tribute to a legendary hero, a bronze statue of King T'Challa, also known as the Black Panther. Walt Disney Imagineering is in the final stages of completing this piece, which portrays T'Challa standing proudly atop a rocky outcrop, with the sleek form of a panther resting at his feet. This statue will feature a textured black finish adorned with silver and purple accents, designed to embody the strength, wisdom, and grace of the King of Wakanda. It serves as a powerful visual centerpiece that invites guests into a space brimming with courage, culture, and heroic spirit. Together, these impressive Marvel sculptures, Spider-Man on the stern and King T'Challa in the Grand Hall, set the stage for the adventures that lie ahead, welcoming guests into a realm where heroes and villains come alive, and extraordinary experiences await at every corner. Get ready for an unforgettable journey at sea. As the Disney Destiny approaches its eagerly awaited launch, the excitement continues to grow with each new revelation. From thrilling Marvel moments to imaginative ship designs, this upcoming addition to the Disney Cruise Line fleet promises unforgettable voyages filled with adventure. Stay tuned for more updates as we count down to November. And be sure to check out the full behind-the-scenes look at the Spider-Man figure on Disney Cruise Line's official social media channels. Join the conversation. What do you think about the introduction of Marvel characters on Disney Cruise Line ships? Are you excited to see Spider-Man and King T'Challa on board? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Explore the darker side of Disney. The epic new Disney Destiny cruise ship. Hold on to your Mickey ears. Disney's newest cruise ship isn't just breaking seas, but breaking the mold. Imagine sailing into a world where heroes and villains clash in ways you never saw coming. That's exactly what Disney Destiny promises, setting itself apart from its Golden Year, Wish, and Treasure siblings. The real magic? This isn't your kid's cruise. Let's dive into how this Wish-class ship redefines family voyages, and why some might say it's too bold. First Contact, a new era of Disney adventures. Disney Cruise Line ranks as the #1 preferred choice in 29 U.S. states, dwarfing competitors like Royal Caribbean and Carnival in national popularity. Now they're pushing boundaries with Disney Destiny, currently undergoing final touches after its July 2025 float out at Germany's Meyer-Werft shipyard. The inaugural voyage departs Fort Lauderdale in November 2025, marking the start of a tropical inaugural season that blends Bahamas Caribbean excursions with dark side Disney drama. The unstoppable villain revolution. Forget safe havens of happily ever after. Disney Destiny dares to ask, what if the story dictatorship ended today? Its Heroes and Villains theme access token owns the stage, pitting beloved characters against their arch nemesis through immersive design, themed dining, and interactive entertainment. Think Marvel showdowns, Moana's storm-conquering quests, and gasp, villain-centric storytelling. Question, is focusing on antagonists risky for families or genius? Let the debates begin. For fans of layer storytelling, this ship delivers an unprecedented balance of light and shadow. Booking insights, timing is everything. Cast members of Disney's Castaway Club loyalty program secured early reservations in late 2024, while general booking opens shortly thereafter. Pricing varies dramatically based on accommodation tiers. Interior starts around $1,250 to $1,300 per person, $5,000 to $5,200 for four. Ocean V, $1,300 to $1,600, $5,200 to $6,400 for four. Veranda, $1,900 to $2,300, $7,600 to $9,200 for four. Concierge Suite, $4,800, $4,900 for two, upwards of $9,600 plus. Island hopping, 2 destinations, infinite possibilities. While Disney Destiny Yacht visits familiar ports, its true appeal lies in exclusive island experiences. Every cruise includes either Disney Castaway Cay or the new Lookout Cay, with select voyages offering both. Should you expect stretches of pristine beaches, family activities, blending Bahamian culture with Disney creativity, exclusive character meetups, secluded relaxation zones? But here's the twist, no brand new ports. The ship relies on reimagining classic destinations through thematic lenses. Could this be seen as playing safe or a smart focus on quality over quantity? Let's discuss. Entertainment, a stage for every story. Broadway caliber shows promise to dominate. Imagine Maleficent's lair as a drama-filled restaurant, Marvel heroes engaged in high-stakes battles, or Elsa crafting ice palaces in real time. Other predictions include immersive kid zones, adding to adults' chill time, rotating dinner theater experiences alternating between heroic feasts and villainous soirees, themed lounges where you're not just a guest, but a story participant. Design-forward, Meyer-Werft magic. Social media previews reveal sleek hull designs and signature Disney elements, though details remain under wraps. Given the shipyard's legacy in crafting Disney's fleet, expect surprising use of natural light and theme plugs. Public areas reflecting the heroes-villains duality. Innovations we've yet to imagine. Because Disney. Controversy Corner. Is the villain's theme a refreshing twist, or could it alienate younger audiences? Let's debate. For budget-conscious travelers, thoughts on whether the price jump justifies these enhanced experiences. And more critically, can Disney deliver sufficiently on 3 new ships with Treasure, Destiny launched within 3 years without diluting quality? Sound off below. We want to hear it. Final thoughts. Chains winds blew in. Disney Destiny doesn't just float, it charts new storytelling waters. With its November 2025 Maiden voyage approaching, this ship invites both nostalgia, fond remembrances of West-era cruises, and innovation, villain-driven narratives. Whether you're a cynic questioning the pricing, an enthusiast sharpening your claws for Striker Cabana, or a first-timer testing the Disney seas, Destiny challenges all to ponder. What happens when the tide turns and our beloved heroes compete with their shadows? The answer sets sail soon.